Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website which will help you make $200 daily. Go to kickbooster.me. This is a software solutions for crowdfunding creators. You can get more out of your campaign with powerful tools designed to help you raise more and manage less. To know how you can earn money from this website, go to Users and select Affiliates. You will see now how you can make money by becoming an affiliate. Step 1: You need to sign up for free. Create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes, and don't pay a thing. Step 2: Pick a project to promote. Browse through our marketplace to find awesome projects to share. Step 3: Spread the word. Generate a unique affiliate link with the click of a button and share it with your network. Lastly, get paid. Earn a commission on every pledge that comes through your unique affiliate link. Now it's time for you to have an affiliate account. Go ahead and click on Sign Me Up. You will now going to be redirected to this page. You need to write your name, email, PayPal email. Choose a referral code. Create your password. And then agree to the terms and conditions. And click on Submit. After create an account, you will be redirected to this page with your dashboard. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. And on this page, you can see all different campaigns that you can promote and boost, and you will get their link so that you can share them and earn money. As you can see, there are many campaigns on this page. All you need to do is to choose the one that you want. Let's choose, for example, this one and click on Boost this campaign. You will be redirected to this page where you need to go and click on Boost Our Campaign. And then you will get your own affiliate link which you will need to copy and share to people so that when they click on your link they will be redirected on this page where they will need to click on Get This Perk so that if they make a payment using your link you will now get commission from that. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.